project today is going to be re-staining the fence. We are in winter before summer comes and start hammering on the wood. I'm going to apply a coat of stain. And the stain I'm going to be using is wood oil engine oil, which in this case is coming from a diesel engine. Diesel engine oil is way better than gas engines because combustion is dirtier and the oil is usually much dirtier. Look at this, how thick it is. Black and nice. Look at this, mucho bueno. And this wood is really calling for another coat. So how does it look when applying a coat of oil? Look at this, beautiful. So much better like this. Just look how quickly the oil gets sucked into the wood. I mean, it's pretty saturated and just going in really fast. Just dry, pretty much dry right away. Maybe it's okay, I have plenty of oil. If there is some drops going into the ground, well, collateral damage. It's going from where it came from. And I like to apply like a really thick coat here on the end of the grain. I think that the next time I'm doing this job, I'm gonna probably get a sprayer. That will make everything easier and faster. But so far, look at the difference. It's looking so much better. So much better. Some people think that crude oil is coming from dinosaurs, and actually it is not. It's coming from trees from the back then. So I'm pretty much putting that crude oil in form of used oil back into a tree where it came from. It doesn't get any greener than that. Plus, this is a good way to reuse and recycle used engine oil. I am amazed how quickly this end grain is taking out all this oil. Just leave it right there. And look at the difference. How it looks, how it was and how it is now. So much better. And I just put in a really thick coat. So yeah, doing this once a year so far is helping to keep the fence in good shape. Doing maintenance and fixing things is good for the soul. And I think total I'm gonna go through 2 gallons, 2.5 of oil. Yeah, 2 gallons. The first time that I will stain this fence, I use a then it was like asphalt base type of paint, but it didn't stick to the wood very well. Actually, it was spilling off. So that was when I changed to engine oil, which so far has been working pretty well. This is year number 4, I believe, of this fence. My only concern so far is that even though this is treated wood, it's cracking a lot. I don't know if that's normal, but there are a lot of cracks everywhere. I guess all the temperature cycle, humidity cycles here in southeast Texas is a factor. See, this is what I'm talking about. cracks. More cracks. This one is kind of deep. This piece is kind of like splintering like that. I don't know if these cracks are normal or not, or how they can be prevented. If you know there is any product or any way to avoid these cracks to spread, just let me know in the comments so I can do it. I use this type of cap on the end of the wood just to see if I will avoid water to get inside, which seems to work, but the crack is still there. Same with this one. I guess it's protecting the end of the wood, but it's cracking like the others. Although they look cool, I think I'm gonna put those caps on all the posts. Well, this is a chore that needed to be done and it's completed. Done for the day with this. It's still wet in some spots, but looking much better. Thank you for watching.